Okay, so let's go with regression first, because correlation regression we kind of use in hand. Just in case if you're not able to see, then let me know. Okay, first of all, what is regression analysis? So when two or more things are related to each other, we want to quantify the relationship between them, we go for regression analysis. It's a very very simple definition for you guys just to understand. So if you want to see the relationship and you want to see the relationship between more than two factors or more than two variables, then you go for regression analysis. And then it is also for you to quantify it. You should be able to get numbers out of it. You should be able to objectively define the relationship that you will be able to find. Okay, so this is also a definition, and it can also be the application part of it. When do we use regression analysis? It goes beyond the correlation by creating a mathematical equation for estimation of prediction and predict the values within the range of framed data. Alright, so for another, obviously as we are quantifying it, you will get a mathematical equation. Alright, how will you so if you have seen those graphs we make, right, वो green वाले graphs जो होते हैं. So if you know the axis, x axis, y axis, if you also know that there is also a z axis. Okay, but in regression we go for a linear axis. So how do you define your data or relationship on the graphs? That is why we go for regression analysis. Okay, so whenever we are doing regression, you will get a formula, or you will get an scores or equations, something like that, which you can graphically present. Okay, the regression procedure demands at least one dependent and more than one independent variable. So your dependent variable जिसके ऊपर आप इफेक्ट देखने वाले हो, एटलीस्ट एक तो होना ही चाहिए ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज योर इक्वेशन विल हैव x and y. So one should be your x, one should be your y, obviously. So you need two things, and one has to be a different one. Then it can be more than one independent variable. So it can be alcohol, it can be stress, it can be television, it can be music, anything. Alright. Then dependent variable, also known as outcome or response variable, is built upon the independent variable, also called as explanatory or predictive variable. See, basically regression is also known for analyzing or predicting the relationship, alright, or predicting the values that will come up. Alright, and why do we want to make this prediction? Because we want to make this prediction obviously for the dependent variable. जो भी हमने sample collect किया है, whatever sample that we have taken up, it's only to make predictions about that, to explain the behavior of that particular dependent variable. That is why it is dependent on that. Alright. Associate relationship between the variables is analyzed by regression analysis. This is just a repetition. It is commonly used for forecasting, time series modeling, financial analysis, market research, to find cause-effect relationship between the variable. Okay, so this becomes your utility part. So in very short, you will get what is regression analysis, where do we use it, and what is how do we use it, or what are certain assumptions related to it, and then you come with the applications of it. Basically this is the kind of graph we will get. It's a scatter plot graph or scatter diagram, and ये जो dots हैं, these dots are basically your scores. It is showing you a kind of direction, right? It is going as the arrow is going. So this is how we kind of show it. This is again the introduction, and जो भी मतलब I thought it's good for you guys, I've got it. Applied technique of statistical analysis and modeling. Two variables are involved. The variables is on the basis of estimation is conventionally called for independent variable and variable whose. So I hope you found the small demo video on regression analysis useful, and that was just a glimpse, a small demo of how I have been conducting my online optional classes for psychology. And we go for presentation modes, we go for multiple methods, so that you guys are able to understand the concepts and nuances of psychology, and are in a better position to make your own notes and study properly for the optional. And I've been so grateful to all the students and all the aspirants who gave such a overwhelming response to my previous batch, the current batch that I'm running. And since then, many students have been requesting for another batch and inquiring me about for next year's preparation for having a morning batch, because the current batch is for working aspirants. So I have come up with another batch which is going to start from August. This batch is going to be for 2021 aspirants. All right, and again we will cover everything from paper 1 to paper 2, and we will provide whatever necessary notes, whatever necessary PDFs, material, book is required to complete your optional in accordance to the syllabus of the UPSC. And again, this will be a morning batch for students, graduate students, for students or the aspirants who are non-working and can have a morning batch. So this is going to be for them, and please register it before before the 31st of July, because we're going to start the classes from 1st August. It's going to be a live optional classes or tuitions, whatever you want to call it. The sessions would be taken live, and the plus point is that you can record, or the recordings of the live sessions would be given to you so that you can replay them later on and study it again, or those who miss the classes can watch it again. So this is going to be the benefit of our class, and whatever doubts you have, whatever questions, preparation strategy that you are wanting to have, you will get full focused attention. The brochure and links would be, the important brochure and links would be given in the description, and I just hope that through this medium I am able to provide a better help and attention to the students who are sincerely wanting to prepare for the psychology optional. You can contact me through various links I have provided in the description. You can email me, or you can message me on the Telegram channel that I have, and you can just see for yourself whether you want to register yourself or not. Alright, thank you so much for all the love and response that I have been getting. Thanks a lot.